Hello, Jeffrey Pine Group, and welcome to week 6 of Tea at Home. Today we are going to be going over your new spelling list for this week. So go ahead and follow along with me as I read through it, and then we'll talk about what's going on here. Phone, photograph, orphan, alphabet, graph, nephew, enough, father, half, Friday, cough, unhappy, happier, happily, and happiness. And then your two bonus words are studied and studying. So let's start here with our bonus words. Both of these words have the root word study. So I just picked this because I want us to practice adding those suffixes to the end that can change the root word. So when you're adding a suffix like ed that begins with a vowel, that E there, you have to change the Y to an I. So that Y changes to an I to spell studied. But then it's just interesting because it doesn't always follow that rule. When you're adding studying with an ing, it wouldn't look right for it to be with a double I, right? So you keep the Y and add ing, studying. So those are your two bonus words. As you probably noticed, there are a lot of f sounds in this list. So we're hearing a lot of the F sound in this list. But that F sound is made by lots of different things. So let's start by looking at the most obvious ones where it's made by an F. So we have father. There's an F at the beginning there. Friday. An F at the beginning there. Now just remember, Friday is a proper noun, so that needs to be capitalized in order to get it correct on your spelling challenge. And then half is an interesting one because that L is silent, and then it has the F sound, half. So try to remember that there's that silent F in there. Then we have two other ways that we're hearing the F sound in this list. We have phone, the PH, and that's here in photograph, orphan, alphabet, graph, and nephew. So all of those have a PH making an F sound. PH equals F. Then we also have a GH making an F sound. So photograph actually has both. Photograph. Oh, whoa. I just tricked myself for a second. Sorry, photograph has PH again. Double PH there. But here, enough, GH making a F sound. Cough, GH making a F sound. So also, GH can equal that F sound as well. So these are tricky. You're going to have to do your best, and you're also going to have to remember to ask yourself what looks right. In that word, does it look right for it to be a PH, a GH, or an F when it's making the F sound? Then we have these four words here where we're practicing adding prefixes and suffixes to the root word of happy. So all four of these words have that root word happy. Unhappy, you just add un to the beginning. Happier, when you're adding the ER, you have to change that Y to an I. Happily, when you add that LY, change the Y to an I. And happiness, when you're adding the NESS, you change the Y to an I. So that is it for your spelling list this week. Good luck, have fun, and see you Friday for your spelling challenge.